North American Galaxy A15 5G users, it's finally here. Samsung's brand new One UI 8 update, powered by Android 16. Packed with fresh visuals, smarter features, and smoother performance, this update is more than just another version. It's a complete refresh for your phone. Earlier this month, Samsung began rolling out the update across South Korea, Europe, and several Asian regions. And now, it's finally reaching Canada and the United States. Canadian users will see firmware version A156 WVL7 DYIB, while US carrier-locked models get A156 USQ7 DYIB. The update weighs around 2.2 gigabytes and includes the September 2025 security patch boosting performance and system stability. If you own the Galaxy A15 5G, here's how to get it. Head to Settings, Software Update, then Download and Install. Once it's ready, tap Install Now, and your phone will reboot with the new system in just a few minutes. Simple, seamless, and ready to explore. Launched in late 2023 with Android 14, One UI 6, the Galaxy A15 5G has steadily climbed up Samsung's update ladder. It received Android 15, One UI 7 earlier this year, and now Android 16, One UI 8 marks its second major OS upgrade. Now let's talk about what's new. One UI 8 introduces a cleaner, more modern interface designed to make everyday tasks faster and more intuitive. The Quick Share feature gets a full-screen redesign with two clear tabs, Send and Receive, making file transfers easier than ever. The Samsung Internet Browser now sports a sleeker menu layout for faster navigation, and the Weather app brings your forecast to life with animated, real-time visuals. Plus, modes and routines have been expanded with new actions and conditions, giving you deeper control to automate your daily life, whether it's switching to dark mode at sunset or silencing notifications during work hours. With One UI 8, Samsung refines what's already great, blending performance, personalization, and visual polish into one unified experience. So if you're using the Galaxy A15 5G in North America, it's time to update, explore, and rediscover your phone all over again. This is One UI 8, smarter, sleeker, and more connected than ever.